Hey guys, it's Dawn, and I just wanted to show you some very basics about Canvas, kind of showing you what it looks like from a teacher perspective, what it looks like from a kid perspective, how to get there, etc. So to get there, just open, it works best with Google Chrome as your browser, canvas.asdk12.org. You can also get there by going to the Anchorage School District website and going through several different menus, and eventually you'll find it. This is by far the easiest way to find it, and it's set up just like everything else. Google.asdk12.org. The science book is connected.asdk12.org. So Canvas is just canvas.asdk12.org. Once you get there, it'll take you to this screen, and it's exactly like logging into anything else in the district. Kids will also see this screen, and for them, it's exactly like logging into anything else for them. So once you sign in, you're going to go to something called your dashboard. Your dashboard will look different than mine. You probably will have, if you teach 5 science classes, you'll have 5. These are called cards. You'll have 5 cards for each of your sections of science class. In a different video, I'm going to show you how to cross list, meaning I'm going to show you how to put all of those classes into one shell. So all of my science classes are inside this shell. All of my forensics classes are inside this shell. And that's nice because that means I can just assign one assignment. It goes to all of my classes. I can grade it all at the same spot. Every kid sees the same thing. So these are called cards. You have lots of courses in here. So if you go to all courses, these are all the things that I have. The ones with the stars are the ones that show up on my dashboard. So if there's something that's not showing up, or like if your advisory class is showing up and you don't want it to, you can unstar it. All right. So again, this is your dashboard. This is kind of your home base. Over here, it's going to show you things that you need to grade. It's also going to show recent feedback, things coming up. Kids also have a dashboard, and it looks very similar to this. If I go into just science, this is what it looks like from a teacher's perspective. So these things, these gray boxes, are called modules. The things inside the modules are called pages. So the green means that it's published, so people in the world can see it. This is not published, which means only I can see it. These are announcements. I often send them out to my kids, usually just real quick, hey, this is what we're doing today, or this was, I'm going to have a substitute teacher today. This is what you're doing today. So I gave kids directions online. Again, these are the modules. You can close these to make it less cluttered. As a teacher, you have lots and lots of options. So looking at the little icon here, you can tell what these are. These are just pages of information. These are assignments, so kids will get grades for them. And you can see over here when they were due and the point total. The little rocket ships are quizzes. Canvas will grade those automatically for you. Again, there's a grade and a date. And again, to make it a little bit easier to see, you can minimize these. As a student, looks very similar. You see less options over here for them because I've changed the navigation. I'll do that for you guys too in a later video. You can see that they don't get to see everything. They just see the modules and the things that I've published for them. They can also see things like their grades. They can see other people in the class. Everybody can inbox you. They can email you, and only you. They cannot email other people in the class, which is very nice. This is a function you can use also, so you can email a specific set of kids, like just the kids that are failing or just the kids that didn't turn in a specific assignment. And it will show up here as like a little notification, and then they know to go to it. So I will get into other stuff in a later video, like more specifics, how you put an assignment in, how you do your navigation. But this is just the very basics, what it looks like, okay, how you move around in it. This is forensics, so this is much different. This right here is a discussion, so kids can discuss things. This is a quiz, this is an assignment. These little icons tell you quite a bit. Remember, the green over here tells you that it's published so people can see it. And you can tell this is published, the whole module is published, but this assignment and this assignment are published. The rest of these students can't see. So introduction, if you go to student view, they just see those two things. So hopefully this was helpful. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do some navigation stuff to make it a little bit easier for students to figure out where to go.